Okay, so we're logged in and you want to go up to this little camera up here. Click the camera, go down to upload. See where it says upload? Click on upload. Okay, and it brings up this screen and you want to click on this arrow and open up your documents. Look for the video. Here's our test video right here. Click on it. Upload. And we're uploading the video. Okay, and now you put a description in, a very good detailed description of what you want to describe in your video. Could be a place, a thing, an object, a cat, a pet, anything like that, and you want to describe what you're doing in the video. So in this video, I only have one hand, so I can't type, but what you want to do is type in the description, and I would type in for this YouTube, how to do YouTube videos very easily. And then you could put a thumbnail. The thumbnail has to be smaller. It'll tell you if it won't take it, then you have to size down the thumbnail, which is a photo. Okay, it will give you 3 choices of a thumbnail right here, okay, in here. Then you want to go and select the category. Okay, and this would be how to learn YouTube. You'd have to, and if it's not in your list, you can create a new one, and then you hit done. So we're just gonna use one and hit that. And then you go down to here and you mark not made for kids. Always mark that, because otherwise you run into problems with things with copyright and everything else with the kids. They want, families and parents don't want their children watching certain videos. So then click show more. Okay. And then you want to, if it's not a series of videos of the same subject, you want to uncheck these. Allow automatic places, automatic chapters. Then in your tags, you want to put a lot of tags in describing your video and we'll say how to make a video, YouTube video. You'll type in there, and then once you type it in, you click to this over here, and it'll put the tag in, and do about 6 tags. Okay, then you click English language, and you click here, which is caption certification, and you hit this content has never been aired. Go down, put the date in. Today's the 3rd. So you click the 3rd in. I'll do that again. You can see it's the 2nd. Click the 2nd, it'll say 2nd. Then your license, and then distribute everywhere. You can change this later. You go in when the video is posted, and then just do monetize to certain monetized platforms you want to. There's a drop down for that. And allow embedding. I don't do embedding, so I can click on embedding. That means somebody can embed your video into their website. Then I go don't remix. I don't do remixing. And then allow all comments from your subscribers. And then you click next over here. So you click next and you want to monetize. If you have AdSense, you click on, you hit that. And then if you have a long video, you put non-skippable ads. This pays for your video on YouTube, pays you actually, and you hit next. Go down here and you got to go through all these categories: inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking, and there's drop downs to tell you, what is what, and if it's an adult thing, they may earmark it, saying, your advertisers will not advertise because of it. So make sure your video is clean, concise, and doesn't have any of these things about drugs or behavior. Then you click none of the above, and then you click submit. Okay. Then you click next, and then you click next again. You could add stuff in here, but you could do it later. I would suggest doing it later. Okay, sorry about the cameras down there. Then you click next, click again, and you want to go to publicize your video. then you hit publish. I'm not going to hit publish on this because I don't want to upload this video, because I'm going to do this video all over again, then upload it. But you'd hit publish and it would be on your YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.